Hello everybody, welcome back to our channels. Nice to meet you here again in the internet. It's my pleasure to share some idea on physics with you guys. Thank you. So question 29 is about Doppler effect. Okay, change of frequency detected. Now the source is here. The source does not move, but the reflector is moving. The car reflects the light, so it is a reflector moving scenario. So remember, when the reflector reflects the sound is light reflecting from the mirror source here as that's okay. We call it a mirror source. And from the understanding of the reflection in light, remember when the reflector moves with a speed v, the mirror source moves with a double the speed 2v. So effectively, although our source does not move, but the mirror source is moving with a speed of 2v, and in the speed detector, we detect the reflected light, so we are stationary observer. So the scenario becomes an approaching source with speed 2v. Approaching source, so frequency increases, okay? No matter approaching source or approaching observer. So the change in frequency must be positive. So A and B, you can't choose it. And then you remember from the data booklet, the delta F over F equals V over C. But now the speed of the mirror source, the source is 2V, so it should be 2V. So moving the F to the right, what is the change or increase of frequency? Yes, the answer is D. You got it? Well then, if you like our sharing, remember like, comment, and share. Thank you.